Thank you for tapping in with Motion Media. Come ride with us.
Get custom fitted 3. I'm out of here once they give me custom fitted 3, baby. Yeah, but a lot of this what I'm doing, I just want to let you know.
What's that?
A lot of this what I'm doing came from you, because I had a talk with you one night
at my house
about business and about investing in myself. You know what I'm saying? And that went to my heart. It didn't just go in one ear and out the other. You know what I'm saying?
That makes me feel good.
So man, I want you to know I listen to what you said.
You will never fail yourself.
Yeah.
When you shave, you might nick yourself, but you will never cut yourself.
Yeah, exactly.
You'll never fail yourself when you kick back and look.
Yeah. So out of all that time you had talked to me, I've been saving up and I've been prepping Cam. You know what I'm saying? Cause I'm 50, so I'm like, man, you know what? I'm gonna pass the torch to him. You know what I'm saying? So he been stacking up his money from his music, all other things. He grinding, pulling up on house calls, doing people hydraulics and stuff like that. And then Cam was like, Pops, I want a shop. And I said, well, grab the torch. Let me see what you can do. And then he started laying these quarters down. You know what I'm saying? And I was like, dude, all these trunks I've been putting popcorn in.
And you got a hand like
and
that?
You got a hand like, he said, hey, I was letting you do your thing.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So then my boys at G-Funk down the street, they got their shop. We went over there, did some work for them on a tray. You know what I'm saying? And then it just came from there, bro. After that, you know, I told G-Funk, I said, I need a shop. And they was like, well, you can come up here. You can do whatever you want to do here. You know, we got you. Yeah. And I said, man, when a shop come available in here, I want to be next to y'all. Let me know. You know what I'm saying?
What he's talking about is he came to my house and brought me some products, some solenoids.
Oh, yeah.
Late at night, and helped me put the trunk lid back on the car.
Okay.
And we spent maybe about an hour and a half just talking about business.
Chopping it up.
And this is what it led into.
Yeah.
That's dope, man.
It's a good.
It started from low riding. Then it transpired into business and investing in myself, and then it went back to low riding. Yeah. Then we went back and forth, but everything he was telling me stuck.
Right.
And that's where this came. And a lot of people think Cam Car is just called the blueprint. Our life is the blueprint. You know what I'm saying? It ain't just a car. That name is deep. And you know, basically, what I'm doing with my son, I'm trying to show other fathers that we need our babies. Because without us, there is no them. You understand what I'm saying? And as long as we take them and we grab them and we hold them, we can mold them and not make them do what we want them to do, like far as being like us. You know what I'm saying? But teaching them. We teaching them instead of that street. You know what I'm saying? Cameron got uncles, aunties, cousins, bloods, crips from all sides. He got all of this. Believe me, when we go to the family reunion, they like, Cam, if anybody, you know, nobody better not, you know, let us know, you know, bloods, crips, all of this. This is why he don't do none of this, because he got this. You know what I'm saying? He was in the middle of the sandbox. You know what I'm saying? While all this oregano was transpiring around him.
A lot of love and a lot of support from him, man, because man, I tell you, to see him out there doing this thing on the stage and and on the ground too, it means a lot to me because he could be out there snatching the purse and doing something else. Man.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do, man. So with custom fitted 1, so this is custom fitted 1 over here. This is custom fitted 2. Some people be like, oh, that's Cam's shop over there, and this your shop over here. That's why it's empty over here. Everybody want to go to Cam. You know what I'm saying? Hey, look, they be like, who gonna cut my car? You or your dad, Cam?
Well,
Cam be like, hey, look, Cam be like, I'm gonna cut it. They be like, all right, then, let's go in the office and talk then. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I was blessed. I got a lot of homeboys, man, that came through. You know what I'm saying? Dirty Bird. You know what I'm saying? Pookie. He kick it with Mad Circle. You know what I'm saying? Them dudes, man. G-Funk, Auto Body, everybody over there on their staff. You know what I'm saying? Like you know what I'm saying? It ain't about what you gave me. It ain't about what you let me work on your car. It's the knowledge. It's your word that you spoke to me that night at your house helped me more than anything. You know what I'm saying? Because I wouldn't have never thought about opening those shops, let alone two, right next to each other. You know what I'm saying?
You never know how God gives you the opportunity.
You know what I'm saying? And then
sees what you're gonna do with it, and before you know it, because that's kind of how I started with the trucking. I started with one, and the next thing I know, I had 7, and I'm like, where did it come from? How did it happen?
Yeah.
I didn't have that kind of money.
Yeah.
But it happened.
Yeah. I got a lot of love. Man. I got more love than hate. You know what I'm saying? And then I even got a couple love shots from some haters that I know is haters. But you know, hey.
Bob, you know somebody named Tim?
Tim?
Tim.
Audiotistics?
Big Papa.
Tell him.
Tim said, what up? I used to be his neighbor.
In a real custom fitted way. I know who you talking about. Tell him I said what's popping with it. He gotta come down to custom fitted and check me out. He gotta come down here. 136987 Pioneer Road, Apple Valley, California. Come fuck with custom fitted. We got you in a real custom fitted way. But yeah, so I'm doing a whole bunch of stuff, man. Like the love is real, bro. The love is real. So many people. Look, Kool-Aid, man. Kool-Aid. My boy Max Morano. You know what I'm saying? Chop, City to City. You know what I'm saying? Karan. All these, everybody, man. If I forget people, just know, bro, that I know. They know who they are.
And where they fit in at.
Come on, bro. They been up here. They ain't actually been here, but they been shooting so much love. Man, them dudes taught me so much about hydraulics and all this stuff. You know what I'm saying? Boy, shout out to my boy, Louis, L&L Wire Wheels, man. Oh, my God, bro. Everybody, bro, man, it's so much love. I got to make this work. You know what I'm saying? I got to make this work. I'd be a damn fool if I didn't. When I pull up on the Lowrider scene, y'all will be looking at me like I'm crazy. You know what I'm saying? There you go. There go the man right there. He coming. Let's see if we can get some. Let's go out here real quick. Yeah, buddy. But we walking through custom fitted. We walking through custom fitted too right now. So we gonna blow the whole wall. We gonna put memorabilia from LA. We gonna put Crenshaw. We gonna give it up for all the hoods in LA. It's gonna be a piece of LA in here when you come here. You gonna think you in LA when you come here. Car clubs, everything. You know, it's gonna be Lowriders on the wall. If y'all know some artists or some that want to come get it in, we respect y'all stuff, but we want our stuff. We want, you know what I'm saying? We want to represent Long Beach, Compton, Watts, South Central. We want to represent the culture. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna put all of that on the wall. No gang banging stuff, just neutral territory, landmarks, Fat Burger, Watchtowers, the Compton Courthouse. We putting all of that. Donut hole. We give, you know what I'm saying? Whatever it is, we giving it to them. We giving it to them. Holler at them, Cam. Put that battery down. That's too heavy.
Custom fitted hydraulics is going down. Y'all been tapped in. Anything you need. Y'all might win money on the camera in a real custom way. Holler at your boys. It's going down.
That's right.
You got to tell them about your shop too, man. So, you know.
Man, we do anything hydraulic related. We do good work. We got you, whatever you need. We got setups, we got wheels, we got hydraulics, whatever. Holler at
In and out. In and out.
Cam the mic and then tell me a little bit about your car and the history of it.
Got you.
Boom. There you go.
Walking with you.
Yes, sir.
Check it out.
Let's check it out real quick. This the blueprint right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, this the blueprint right here. I want to say I was probably about like 10 years old when my pops went and actually bought the car. And I liked the car so much, I was in the backyard in it, acting like I was hitting switches, no switches on it. And then he decided he was gonna let me have it. So he started building it for me like right then and there. So since I was 10 up until now, this is what we got. Built it from the ground up, didn't have no paint, didn't have no interior, no nothing. And this is what it is now, you feel me?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
86 Landau,
Yeah.
got them pillow seats up in it, everything. Everything you could think of has got it on there.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So, yes sir, got two 12s, L7s in the trunk. Shout out to Audiotistics for hooking the music up on this. I wouldn't go to nobody else. They the best in the high desert. To me, they the best in California in a real custom way.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir. So tell me a little bit about the shop that y'all offer up here and, you know, the type of work you do.
Man, we sitting right here on 13987 Pioneer Road in Apple Valley, California. We got hydraulic setups. We do labor, we do everything. We got rims. As you can see right here, we get anything, any color. And man, just tap in with us. We get it in and out. All good work out of here, man. We done all kind of cars, trays, foes, whatever. And we got you.
Also do house calls if needed.
Yes,
right?
sir. If you need it, we pulling up to you. If you broke, you can't get out, we coming to you in a real custom fitted way.
That's right. That's right.
Yes, sir.
He ain't talking about financially broke.
No, I'm talking about if your car broke, not financially broke. Yes, sir. You already
If your
know.
car broke, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, buddy.
You know, he'll pull up and take care of you. That's what he will do.
Yeah, we'll get it in, man. We got whatever you need, tap in with us. Custom fitted hydraulics.
Whatever you need for the hydraulics, you say tap in.
Yes, buddy, tap in. We got you.